Hello, dear students. Yesterday we started our second chapter in physical education, that is Olympic value education. Yesterday we discussed about ancient Olympic games and all important points about this. Now today we are going to study about modern Olympic games. Baron Pierre de Coubertin is known as the father of modern Olympic games. He done this revival work of Olympic games nearly 1500 years after the last ancient Olympic Games, in the year 1896 at Athens. In the Conference of Physical Education on 25th November 1892, Baron Coubertin, who was born in an Italian family and settled in France, planned the restoration of Olympic Games in 1900 at Paris, with the motive to strengthen amateur sport, to develop everlasting qualities for modern education. In June 1894, the International Conference of Amateur Sport at Paris passed the resolution to create International Olympic Committee (IOC) to observe the conduct of modern Olympic Games. But the zeal of the delegates was so much that they insisted the first Olympic Games to be held in 1894-6 at Athens. Since then, these games were held after every 4 years. The honor of holding the modern Olympic Games is entrusted to city and not to a country or region. The choice of city for the celebration is with International Olympic Committee, that is IOC. You know that this year uh, there was Tokyo Olympic, but it is cancelled because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So most probably we will have this next year in July. It started on a new moon day in July after every 4 years. Some features of modern Olympic Games I want to discuss with you. First was played is in 1896 at Athens, which is in Greece, and total number of participated countries were 13, and there were only 9 activities which were played in the first modern Olympic Games. And one more thing about this, only men athletes performed in this Olympic. Then last Olympic was in 2016, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. In this, number of participants countries were enormously increased, and it is 206 in numbers, and total number of activities are 28. What are the special features? That rugby and golf are the two new sports which was included in the modern Olympic Games. In this Olympic, USA topped medal tally, got the highest number of golds. India largest contingent but poor show. PV Sindhu won silver in badminton, Sakshi Malik won bronze in wrestling, and Deepa Karmakar finished fourth in vault final. But we hope that next year will improve, our athletes will improve, and they will get more medals for our country. So hope you understood everything in this topic about the modern Olympic Games. Some more things are given there. You can search on the net, or you can search about modern Olympic Games. You'll get all information. Whatever else you want to discuss with me, you can comment in your comment box. Till then, live happily, stay blessed, and exercise every day. Thank you.